my channel. It's me, Lorraine Taylor. Sorry I haven't uploaded for a little bit. I've been sick and I'm still kind of sick and I'm still kind of getting over it. But today I have a hair review for you guys. This is from Wiggins hair. I've actually never heard of this company until my friend did a review on it. I'll make sure to link her somewhere in this video. Oh, and before y'all ask, this is all me in all of my glory. And I'm very proud of how far I've gotten. But anyways, I got 3 bundles. Let's see, what did I get? 18, 20, 22. And I got a 6x6 closure, 16 inches long. Oh, and it also came with these lashes that I'm wearing. The lashes are actually really cute. I like them. I haven't opened the packages yet because I wanted to get a first impression for y'all since I've never heard of this company. So let's see. This is the 18-inch. Feels really soft, but that's kind of normal for any new hair. It does have a smell. It smells like packaged hair. And it has this tag on the hair. And it doesn't specify the length of the hair on the tag or on the band. So I'm gonna have to put this back in the bag so I don't forget which length this one is, but the hair is really soft. It does have a little smell. I'm not getting any shedding so far. My eyes look lopsided. You rip these lashes off. Anyways. But yeah, I'm not getting any shedding. No tangles. Okay, let's get into this closure. My eyes look wonky. Let me take these glasses off. Okay, I was looking cross-eyed and I didn't appreciate that. So I got a 6x6 closure, and I've never had a closure bigger than the regular 4x4. So this should be interesting. Let's see. This is the lace. I actually don't know what kind of lace this is. I actually should look that up. I'll just put down here somewhere what type of lace this is if it does specify. But yeah, the hair is soft. It matches the same pattern of the other bundles. I am getting a little bit of shedding. I'll show y'all in a second. Yeah, see. That was for me just running my fingers through it. So that's already kinda an iffy sign, but I'm not gonna lose hope just yet. I really like how big this is. I think I'm done with frontals because frontals, I'm not trying to lay down my wigs every time I go somewhere because I'm a very low maintenance type of person. I just want to just plop my wigs on my head and be about my day. But with a frontal, you gotta glue that thing down, gel it down every time you want to go somewhere, and I'm over it. So I'm gonna stick with my closures for a while. This is really nice. The hair is really soft. But yeah, I'm still getting shedding from this. Why are you shedding so much? And I didn't get shedding in the bundle that I tried, but I am getting shedding from the closure, which I don't really appreciate. But I will be turning this hair into a wig. I originally was gonna just buy a wig, but as you can see, I have a lot of hair and I'm too lazy to braid my hair down. So I just put my hair in a low bun and throw my wigs on top of that. So, and my head's kind of big. Like, I wear like the 24-inch cap. Hold on, actually, let me show y'all. So when I make my wig, since I do have a bigger head with a lot of hair, I don't use dome caps. I actually use skull caps. And I get these from Family Dollar. They're only $2. And I use these for every wig that I make. Let me show you. It is a dome cap, but it's just bigger and my head can fit in it. And you know, after I do all my measurements from the front of my head to the back of my neck, ear to ear, and all that, I do all the measurements on the mannequin head on this cap. And then if it's too big, I just sew it inwards to make it fit, you know. So, you know, I just make things work for me. That's what I do. Because dome caps are just too small for my head. Like the regular dome caps, especially with my hair. So, yeah. And I will be doing like a 1 month update because I know that hair reviews aren't like super helpful because, you know, all hair is gonna be pretty good as soon as you take it right off the package. So I'll probably come back in a month and give y'all an update. I don't sleep in my wigs. I take my wigs off when I'm home. I don't wear my wigs around the house because I like to let my natural hair breathe or whatever. And plus, it's hot. Like, I can't wear wigs 24/7. I be wanting to rip that thing off when I'm at work, and because for some reason my job gets super hot in some areas, and then it gets really cold in some areas. But whatever. So yeah, I'll be turning this into a wig, and the next video you see me guys in, I'll probably be wearing the wig that I make. I'm not gonna record me making the wig because I feel like that's gonna just take too long and take too much effort, and I've been trying to sew that thing up and go about my business, you know. And this hair was less than $200, I believe. I'll leave everything in the description box. I wasn't trying to go over $200 because I was being a little cheap, and honestly, I'm tired of paying for hair. So hopefully this thing will last me at least till the end of the year. It is the middle of September, and hopefully this thing will last me to New Year's, you know. So I guess we'll see. So thank you for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.